Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Worldwide Zoology. This is Iram Safar. The topic which we will discuss today is the superclass Rhizopodia with class Labosi of the subphylum Sarcodina of the phylum Sarcomastigophora. So the most familiar amoeba belong to the superclass Rhizopodia, class Labosi and the genus Amoeba. So if we talk about the characteristic of these amoebas, so these amoebas are naked, they have no test or shell, and they are normally found in the habitat like shallow water substrate or freshwater ponds, lakes and slow moving streams. When they feed on other protists and bacteria, they usually engulf their food by the process of phagocytosis. What does the phagocytosis? Phagocytosis is usually the engulfing of the food by the inward pinching of the plasma membrane, a process or that usually involve the cytoplasmic changes. In the process, food is incorporated into the food vacuole. Binary fission occur when the amoeba reaches a certain size limit. As with their other amoeba, no sexual reproduction is known to occur. So means there no sexual reproduction is present in superclass Rhizopodia. So let's talk about the other members of the class Labosi that bears test or shells. Test, what does the test mean? So tests are protective structure that the cytoplasm secretes. They may be calcareous, made up of calcium carbonate. They may be proteinaceous, as the name indicates, they made up of protein. Siliceous, made up of silica, or maybe chitinous, made up of chitin, a polysaccharide. So other testes may be composed of sand and other debris cemented into the secreted matrix, but usually the shell or tests are of calcareous or proteinaceous or chitinous form. Usually one or more opening in the test allows pseudopodia to be excluded. For the movement of pseudopodia, there is an opening must be present in the test or the shell of the amoebas. We will discuss about the members of the class Labosi. So we will discuss about the Arcella. Arcella is a common freshwater shelled amoeba. It has a brown proteinaceous test that is flattened on one side and domed on the other side. Pseudopodia project from an opening of the flattened side, means that the pseudopodia project from the opening that is present on the flattened side but not from the domed side. And the other common freshwater shelled amoeba is Diphlugia. Diphlugia test is a vase shaped and is composed of mineral particle embedded in a secreted matrix. If we talk about their relationship with their host, so most amoeba are symbiotic, a few are pathogenic. For example, Entamoeba histolytica causes one form of dysentery in human, inflammation and ulceration of the lower intestinal tract, and diarrhea that includes blood and mucus characterize dysentery. Amoeba dysentery is a worldwide problem that plagues humans in crowded, unsanitary conditions. A significant problem in the control of Entamoeba histolytica is that an individual can be infected and contagious without experiencing symptoms of the disease, means the disease is usually asymptomatic. So amoeba live in the folds of the intestinal wall, feeding on starch and mucoid secretion. They pass from one host to another in the form of cysts transmitted by fecal contamination of food or water. After ingestion by a new host, amoeba leave their cyst and take up residence in the host intestinal wall, which is the definitive host, that is usually a human. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Please share, subscribe and like my channel.